know where I should go.
Hey. Well, I'm up here.
I'm not here.
I'm up here. That's you walking on your knees?
I'm just short.
Short, are you?
Yeah, thanks.
There you go.
Can I have some more?
How many you want? There you go.
There's not much on the street.
Huh?
There's not much candy on the street.
It isn't?
No, there's not much candy here.
Okay, well, I gotta have some more kids coming.
No, just maybe one more piece.
Damn, you were awful. There you go.
My mom said if Barack Obama lived on the street, my bucket would be full.
The what?
My mom said if Barack Obama lived on the street, my bucket would be full.
Don't even mention his name around here.
Why not?
Because I don't like him. Go ahead, young lady.
Why not? Why don't you like Barack Obama? Hey, no, I don't talk to you.
Oh my God. I can't stop laughing. I can't stop laughing.
What do you want?
What's wrong with Barack Obama?
I don't like him. Now go.
What's wrong? Why you like? Don't get mad at me because you don't like Barack Obama. I'm just here for candy.
I don't like Obama. Why do you like him?
I don't like you.
Well,
No, I don't like my bucket. You made me steal my candy.
where the hell did you come from?
I knew here. I knew.
Oh, you little bastard.